is GoPro on its last legs? I mean, really pause and let that sink in. The brand that practically invented the action cam, the one whose name became shorthand for adventure footage, now staring down the barrel of irrelevance. For the past 3 years, this so-called battle in the action camera space has felt more like an uneasy truce, a frozen standoff where nothing truly moves a needle. GoPro drops the Hero 12, then the 13, and it's all so incremental. A tweak to the image sensor here, an extra hour of battery there, just a fresh digit slapped on the packaging. It's safe, sure, but man, it's gotten stale. Over on the flip side, Insta360's been the unpredictable force, slinging AI magic like it's going out of style. Think seamless 360-degree edits, those mind-bending invisible selfie sticks, and one-tap auto cuts that turn raw clips into polished stories. They're the rebels shaking things up, no doubt. But when it comes to raw image quality, are they truly pulling ahead? And lurking in the shadows is DJI, that colossal player who's already conquered the skies with drones and transformed handheld filmmaking with their gimbals. They've been biding their time, observing every move. The Osmo Action 3? That was their opening salvo. The Action 4? A sharper edge, proving they could outshine GoPro in dim conditions and turning that clever magnetic mounting into a genuine game-changer for workflows. Solid hits, but still just probes. What I'm diving into today, though, this isn't a jab. This is a decisive blow. We've scored access to a trove of insider intel. Not flimsy whispers from obscure threads, but actual parts inventories, accessory prototypes, and even Scrap's proprietary code. All roads lead here. The DJI Osmo Action 6. Buckle up, because what unfolds next will flip your understanding of what an action camera can even be. And by the time we're through, you'll see the whole arena shifting under our feet. What's your take so far? GoPro hanging on or already yesterday's news? Hit the comments and let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let's ease into the details. The subtle shifts that whisper big changes. Start with the chassis. Fuzzy prototype sketches from a shell maker. But the measurements? They spill secrets. The body's a hair chunkier, just a couple millimeters wider, yet that tiny bump kicks off a cascade. Word is, the upgraded magnetic clasp is DubMagLock 3.0, with grip that's leagues tougher. But the real intrigue hides in those connector points on the mount. They're wired for data transfer. Picture this. Latch your Action 6 onto a fresh gimbal, and boom, seamless handshake, no fiddling with balances or Bluetooth pairings. Or snap it onto a drone mid-flight, and it slots in as a crystal-clear secondary feed, commanded straight from the cockpit controls. This is a mere attachment. It's a bridge, fusing DJI's sprawling universe of gear into one fluid symphony. Smart doesn't even cover it. They're weaving their empire together at last. Now, the meaty bits, those raw specs that set online communities ablaze. From a deep firmware dive, we've nailed down one standout. 6K video at a buttery 60 frames per second. Hold that thought before you dismiss it. Yeah, we've chased higher residential before, but here's the eternal curse haunting every action cam since GoPro's dawn. Daylight heroes that crumble at dusk. No matter the Euro stabilization wizardry or pixel count, low light turns them into grainy disasters, mushy shadows, streaky artifacts, highlights exploding under sodium glows. It's the unbreakable flaw, rooted deep in physics. The Osmo Action 4 danced around it with its beefed-up 1/1.3-inch chip, outpacing GoPro's efforts, but it was no cure, just a patch on a puncture. Tiny sensors snag scant photons. No algorithm or smart denoising can conjure what isn't there. The only antidote? Scale up, bigger silicon, broader optics. And then came this leak, the one that stopped me cold, the one where those extra millimeters suddenly screamed purpose. The DJI Osmo Action 6 packs a full 1-inch sensor. Yeah, you heard right, a 1-inch beast. This is the unicorn creators have chased for years, the stuff of wish lists and what-ifs. We're not talking some budget compromise. This is the heart of Sony RX 100 point-and-shoot, the same powerhouse in DJI's Air 2S drone. Pro-grade imaging, distilled into a rugged shell you strap to your chest or helmet without a second thought. What ripples from this? Low light isn't just tolerable anymore, it's your secret weapon. turning twilight trails, packed venues, or late-night spins into vivid, noise-free epics. Dynamic range steps up too, letting you nail exposures across the board. Skies that breathe without washing out, subjects etched in shadow detail. The footage? It'll hum with that filmic polish, effortless and alive. And here's the jaw-dropper that rewires everything. Genuine optical depth. That creamy bokeh, the pro haze where your focal point leaps forward and the world softens behind. It's baked in now. No filters or tricks required. Forget the hyper-sharp, everything in your face uniformity of old action shots. This delivers cinematic intimacy, where heroes emerge against blurred horizons. One revelation like this doesn't tweak the debate, it torches it. Stack up a Hero 14 with 8K bragging rights? Pointless. Megapixels on a speck of sensors still yield heat fog chaos and digital grit. DJI is sidestepping the spec sheet arms race for the unyielding laws of light and glass, and they're primed to claim victory. But hold on, what if I said that sensor's not even a crown jewel? What the true earthshaker, the hindsight genius only DJI sprawl could birth, tackles the other silent killer of great content: sound. We've all felt it. A stellar visual drowned by tinny wind or muffled mumbles, tanking the whole piece faster than a shaky frame. Fixes so far? Hacky at best. Bulky media housings that balloon your rig, tangled lab cables snaking under collars, or pricey wireless kits like the Rode that demand receivers, ports, and endless adapters, each a potential drop in the chain. Buried in the code leaks? A ghost menu, absent from any rival. Audio link. The Osmo Action 6 embeds a native wireless receiver, tuned for DJI's own ecosystem. Envision it. Clip on your DJI Mic 2, the sleek little puck, power up the cam, and they bond in a blink. No dongles, no wires, zero hassle. Broadcast-grade audio embeds straight into your clips. Pristine and sync from the jump. This is synergy on steroids, the kind GoPro can't mimic without building an audio arm from scratch, or Insta360 without overhauling their toolkit. DJI is stacking their drone mastery, gimbal finesse, and surging wireless mic throne into one powerhouse device. The holy grail for vloggers and storytellers who just want to hit record and chase the moment. So, let's stitch it all into the bigger tapestry. You got that evolved mag lock, pulsing data to gimbals and UAVs for effortless synergy. 6K at 60 for endless post tweaks and crops. 4K pushing 240 frames per second. Slow-mo so silky it echoes high-end cinema rigs. The 1-inch sensor, obliterating a decade of dim-lit woes with unmatched range and that intoxicating blur. And woven through all, wireless audio that erases the setup grind. This transcends iteration. It's no mere Action 5 sequel. It's birthing a breed apart, a hybrid beast that doesn't chase GoPro's throne. It redefines a palace. DJI is slipping pro optics and seamless sound into a sub-$500 shell, maybe nudging $550 tops. How do you counter that? GoPros force into sensor parity, but can they tame the thermal demons or spin up a mic empire overnight? Doubtful. Insta360's AI wizardry shines and edits, but it can't fabricate photons or pull detail from voids. Hardware's the unbreakable truth. We're witnessing a seismic pivot, the annual which cam, ritual fades, replaced by why settle for less than the Action 6? That divide between your primary mirrorless workhorse and scrappy sidekick is dissolving fast. This isn't gear for the rush. It's the rush itself, distilled. The Action Cam saga crowns its undisputed ruler. Sure, these are leaks, unverified whispers backed by code trails, supplier docs, and design ghosts, but the momentum's undeniable. It's barreling our way. So, spill it. Does this spell GoPro's twilight? Is the sense of the savior you craved? Or does that audio magic rewrite your shoot entirely? The decade's fattest tech bombshell is live, jumping below and fuel the fire. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.